Well, let's get to your stock pick for today.
That's interesting. There are so many stocks that are lining up for really good price points and really good value points. I think if I have to look across sectors, I can pick anything from a growth point to a premier group that's just had really good results for their first set of interims. And some of the other stock picks that I gave out earlier in the year, I also gave out base levels to say the stock could come down to these levels. If it breaks that level, then I'm only concerned. And almost all of them have rebounded off those levels. I'm thinking Walt Disney, Sibanye bounced off 22 except for that convertible note.
Yes, this week.
I'm not too worried about that convertible note, believe it or not. I would still be looking at that. But if I'm pressed for a pick at the moment, I think I might like Sasol down to 200. I like Growth Point at the levels where it is at about 10 Rand at the moment. And I do like Premier having just bounced off of the 20 Rand level. I think it is at attractive levels. So I've not given one, but I've gone ahead and given three because it's Black Friday and we're festive, right? The festive season's around the corner.
Fine, we'll forgive you.
But I'll do a bit of a detailed deep dive into some companies before the end of the year and give my expectations around next year as well. I remember I gave out a stock. I think it was PayPal a couple of months ago. And the stock bounced quite nicely off of $50. It's still sitting at $56. I'm not too fussed about that. So and I've said this before, a lot of stocks are at very good prices where you get in now, you're not going to be seeing that return immediately. Don't expect it to be the Occidental Petroleum that I gave out shortly around the time Warren Buffett got into that. But don't expect those sorts of movements now. Expect that values and stocks are at really attractive pricing, but you're going to be holding for a bit longer than what you were in the past.
Okay, thank you so much for your crystal glass throughout the year, Jimmy. That was independent analyst Jimmy Moyaha.